our friend is stuck on the island where there's water everywhere around.
Help me!
Oh no! And yes, we're French. Oh. Wait! She's going to save you! Okay! I'm off to save her! I'm gonna jump.
Wait, I have to tie up my shoe.
Really? You're stuck on an island and the only thing you think about is tying your shoe. Okay, everybody! I'm gonna jump. Okay, be careful.
Try to jump over me.